Hey, Austin. 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 Austin, where are we?
We're at the cabin.
We're at the cabin.
Yes.
You like the cabin?
Yes.
Is it raining outside?
Yes.
Nasty weather. Hey, Blue. Are you at the cabin too?
Fluffy puppy.
Hey, Blue. Is it raining outside? Do you not like the thunder?
Mom.
I like the thunder.
You like the thunder?
Yes.
Are you having breakfast? What are you having?
Yogurt.
What else?
Cereal.
And cereal. Is it yummy?
Look.
What did you find?
Octopus.
An octopus.
Yes, an octopus.
Cool. Is he scary?
He's a blue octopus.
Look, he has a parrot.
Oh no! And what seems to be a human.
And yeah, like part of a human or
I think
something?
they just got lazy.
There she goes, climbing the rock wall.
A snake or a dragon?
Snake or a dragon?
Snake. A snake. Okay.
Okay. Look at the serpent. He's so scary.
Is it a snake or
Oh,
a
look, he has his mask on. He's a good serpent. He's following the rules like a good boy. You love the park, Austin. What's the park your favorite? What are you going to do at the park?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you going to go down the slide? The dark slide?
Yes.
Did you find a big rock?
Austin, look at the cool feather.
A feather.
Ooh. That's pretty
Hold it.
cool.
Yes.
That's a big feather. Did that come from a goose, maybe?
Yes. Yes, it come for a goose.
That's pretty cool. What do you think? Should we go back to the park?
Yes. I'm gonna bring the feather.
You can bring the feather.
I'm
Getting there.
climbing up the stairs, Mom.
You're doing a good job.
Yes.
Austin, look at this bridge.
Oh, yeah. It is a bridge.
It is a bridge. You're doing it. You're doing it. Yeah, just hold on to the sides and you'll be just fine. You can even let go if you want to, because you won't fall. Is that bridge a little shaky?
It is a little safe.
But it's fun, isn't it? Yeah, it's fun. You got it? You got it.
Made it.
You did it.
Austin, Evelyn found something for you.
Oh.
Here, she's down. The fastest way is down the green slide over there. Austin, I got something for you.
Oh, look at that.
Look, it's a big shell.
It's a big shell.
Maybe there's a.
I don't think there's a snail inside anymore, but
And
it's
I
a
got
pretty
this
cool
little one
shell.
for me.
And Evelyn got a little one for herself. Here comes Austin. Gonna do the slide. What do you see?
I see another slide.
Another slide.
It's almost dry.
Almost dry. You did it. Good job. Here, look over here, Austin. There might be a bug over here somewhere.
A bug over here.
Over by these flowers. Maybe a bumblebee.
There's a bumblebee. It is a dragonfly.
Oh, I see a dragonfly over there.
Where?
He's-
Dragonfly.
Oh, yeah, a little one.
Dragonfly. Dragonfly.
Oh, it's a grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Oop, there he goes.
Bye-bye. That's gonna get the little mushrooms.
I want to maybe find more bugs.
You want to maybe find more bugs? Lots of flies. Oh, I see another grasshopper.
Another grasshopper.
He's right there. See him? On my finger? Oh, there's a big grasshopper right there.
Right there?
You see him on the leaf?
Mama, I see a big grasshopper.
You see him?
Whoa, he's a big one.
He's a big boy. What do you think?
I saw a grasshopper.
Oh yeah, look at him. Are you gonna touch him?
No.
Should Daddy make him jump? Here, watch. I'm gonna make him jump. Maybe.
Boing boing.
He jumped.
That was a lazy jump. Now he's down there on the ground.
Can I catch one?
Oh, did you pick the mushroom?
Now hold it.
No, I don't want to hold it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Are you angry? Saw your feet moving over here, Blue.
I got a mushroom.
Yeah, you do.
What does it feel like?
I don't know.
You don't know. Does it feel squishy?
Can I have your mushroom?
Yes.
Give me a mushroom.
Oh, Evelyn's gonna go through the deep puddle. It's funny that at this massive playground, the most exciting thing is the puddle on
Right.
the other side of it. Oh, Blue, do you want to go through the puddle too? Let's see the Blue. Here comes Austin.
Oh, you wanna go see the fishies?
Oh, is Blue gonna catch the fish?
Oh, the ducks are.
What are those?
Those are sunfish. Yeah.
Here's a sea fish.
A sea fish? It's a sunfish.
A sunfish?
That's right.
Here's a sunfish.
Yeah, those are pretty cool.
I like how you can tell they just dug out this area right here.
Here's a
Shallow
sun.
over here.
Oh, I see them. They're right all down in here. You see them?
Yes.
See them swimming around?
I want to catch one.
I'm gonna catch them. I don't know if you're gonna be able to catch them because they're really, really fast.
I want to catch. I want to. Where did the fish go?
They're right down there. You see them? There they go. They're so fast.
I'm gonna try to skip this kind of heavy rock. It's not heavy. It's like moderate. Heavy enough to not. Yeah. Exactly.
Is the shark gonna get the fishies, Austin?
Yes.
Here comes the shark. Here comes the shark.
Dun, dun.
Oh no, here comes the shark. Here he comes.
Does he have teeth? It's a tiger shark.
It's a tiger shark, that's right.
It's a hammer.
A hammerhead shark.
Hammer.
Here comes the puppy. Maybe the puppy will catch some fish.
Did you
the puppy eat in the water.
Didn't.
That's silly.